guys, it's me, Annabelle, and today in the cooking series, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own chocolate mousse at home. Okay, now let's get started. For this project, you will need a hand mixer, different size bowls, a whisk or a spatula, measuring cups, and containers to put your mousse in. You will also need heavy cream, 3 eggs, chocolate chips, butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. Take a small bowl and add 1 cup of chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of butter. And put it in the bowl and microwave it in 20-second intervals. And for each interval, mix it together. This is my mixture after the first interval, and after you're done, use a spatula or a whisk to mix it together. And this is how your mixture should look like once it's done. Now set it aside to let it cool. Now you are going to take your 3 eggs and any bowl and separate your egg whites from your egg yolk. Now taking your hand mixer, you're going to put your 3 egg whites into a bowl and you're going to gradually mix this on medium-high heat until it forms stiff peaks. And this is how your mixture should look like, and once you lift up your hand mixer, it should form stiff peaks. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar to the mixture. And you're going to gradually mix this in on medium-high power. This is how it should look like once it's done, glossy and stiff peaks. Now take your egg white mixture and your chocolate mixture, and you're going to use your spatula or whisk to mix it together. Once that is well mixed, you are going to set that aside. Take another bowl and add 1/2 cup of heavy cream and use your hand mixer on medium-high power and mix it until it forms stiff peaks. While you are mixing, you can also choose to add 1/4 of a tablespoon of vanilla extract to make your mousse more sweet. Then take your blended heavy cream and chocolate mixture and mix it together using a spatula or a whisk. Now taking your containers, you're going to put your mousse inside. You can also choose to pipe your mousse into your containers using a plastic bag instead. Once you are done filling your containers, you can top off your mousse with anything you want. I just cut up some chocolate chips and sprinkled it on top. Once you are done with the toppings, you're going to put this in the fridge for 24 hours or until it is stiff and ready to eat. And that's how you make homemade chocolate mousse.